Don't eat that. Pepe! Pepe, don't eat the mud. No. You can dig. Just can't eat it. Hey! No! Look at that face. Pepe! Arrow! Arrow! What happened to your face? What happened to your face? Ah! Pepe, don't eat the damn mud. That's not good for you. No, you can't eat that. Ah, watch out. Oh my god. Oh, someone's gonna need a bath. Oh, Jesus. Ah! Ah! Don't lick it. Don't eat the mud. Baby, you're gonna drown. If I wasn't here, you'd drown. You're so cute. You look like a Rottweiler now! Yeah! Ah! Demon. You little demon. Oh, Jesus, your collar is really brown, too. My baby. My dirty pup. Arrow, say bye-byes. Pepe. Say bye-byes. Wow. Come here, Humba. Jeez.